go to the layer menu and duplicate. Very useful to create a duplicate layer. Same image at this point. You can apply effects to that. Also, you can change the blending mode. So you can make it multiply just by going to the blending modes at the top. Then go to effects. And you can apply any of them. But I'm going to go with focus. Maybe go with smart blur. But I'm going to go with soften. And you can change it Gaussian or circular. And change the amount. Maybe go for 30. Now, of course, the document depends on the document. I think it's about 4,000 by 3,000. But you, of course, can vary that. You can find the gradients panel in Window and Media Panels and Gradient. Go to the right side menu and now down to Express in Image. And that will use the gradient. Don't have to use the gradient you just got there. You can change the gradient inside the panel, Express in Image. And you can also change the bias, and that will change the colours and how it's applied. You can always reset it at any point. Some are better than others. Click on any of those gradients. Probably works best with a very colourful one. Some are a bit more colourful than others. Just change the bias. And once you're happy, click OK. You can always undo or cancel. So you can see it's now applied to that layer. You can always, of course, delete the layer if you wish as well. And change the blending mode. Go to normal. You can remove the effect. And then go again over to the gradients and express an image. And again, change the bias, change the gradient. Click there again and you can see a load of different gradients available. Some better than others. Maybe go with that one, maybe go with that one. Really colourful design. And again, change the bias. And then click OK. And you can always play it again. Always go again to that right side menu and express an image. And you can see now you've got a real contour effect. You don't have to go with that gradient. You don't have to go with that bias. Just change it. You get a very green or very orange or purple. Or select a different gradient. Again, change the bias. And once you're happy with that one, again click OK. It is a pity you can't change the blending mode at this point. It'd be really useful. Now just go for multiply, you can see the effect there, or overlay, or screen, or difference. And that's for the layer. Or maybe go back to normal. You can of course change the opacity as well. And again, run it again, express an image, create more contour effects. And maybe select another one. So just select that one. Once you've done that, click OK. So you've got that design. Now you can go through blend modes, try them out. Some are better than others. But you can also flatten the image. You can go to Layer and Drop All. So it's now a single layer. And you can go to Effects and Surface Control and apply surface texture. Now just use the image luminance and you can change the soften. You get a very interesting three-dimensional effect by changing the softness as well as the shine and amount. Once you're happy, click OK.